Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today we have what I hope is going to be a relaxing makeup video, just a video with me talking at a minimal and just applying makeup. I don't really think there's enough of these kinds of videos here on YouTube, and I am guilty of this because most of my videos I'm just incessantly talking and going off on tangents. But today I just wanted to do something a little bit different and just something else, you know, and I was just really in the mood for just playing around with makeup. So if you've watched my channel before, or just like if you're not new to my channel, you will know that I'm a huge fan of Kaleidos makeup. They sent me their brand new, I can't remember the name, the Fresh Fantasy collection, I think it was. I should know the name. I know I should. I'll put the name here so that I can just confirm. A couple of weeks ago, I tried their brand new Lunar Lavender eyeshadow palette. This one is absolutely gorgeous. She is... she's just so beautiful. As part of the same collection, they released Sashimi City. This, I would say, is the more nude, kind of everyday kind of moment. So this is what she looks like. I am going to show you the swatches now, and then I'm going to pop on some relaxing music, and I'm just going to create a look. So really guys, that's what we're doing today. I really hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that the eyeshadow formulation is going to be the same as in the Lunar Lavender palette, and if it is, and if it's not, I will tell you, don't worry. But if it is, the mattes are pigmented, they're soft, they're creamy, the metallics are just full of life, they look like liquid metal, and they just have so many dimensions to them. If I find that upon using these that they're not what I expected, or there's any flaws with them, I will let you know. But all going well, you won't have to hear my voice again for the rest of the video. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go, but thank you so much as always for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the final look. I absolutely adore this palette, just as I thought I would. Everything about it, perfection. The mattes are just so easy to work with. They're beautifully pigmented, but so easy to blend out. I loved everything. However, I do have one slight criticism. It's not criticism, it's just something that if I could change anything about the palette, this would be it. I just feel like the fact that they've got these two chocolate brown shades in the palette, I just feel like it's a wasted opportunity. They could have had a different shade because I just think that the two chocolate browns are just so similar. This one is more of a rich chocolate. This one is more, well, it's a chocolate brown. I can't really differentiate them enough to like describe them differently, if that makes sense. And after you've blended them out, they do look extremely similar. So the only thing I would change is I would have swapped out one of these, preferably the lighter shade, for another shade, maybe like a beautiful mauvey pink. I think would have really worked beautifully in this palette. But other than that, everything was perfect. I love this final look. She's very smoky. She's got the pop of sass, gold, green, duochrome glitter moment in the middle. I just love it. If you were thinking, which of these two palettes should I pick up? I would definitely say that Shashimi City is just more neutral, more of your kind of everyday, off to the office, off to Tesco kind of palette, whereas Lunar Lavender is a little bit more kind of something, do you know what I mean? But anyway, I am going to go. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please could you let me know so that I know you enjoyed it, and I will do more of these, just, you know, barely me talking, just applying makeup videos. I would really be keen to know what you think. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to Kaleidos Makeup for sending me these palettes. I really do appreciate it. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.